Welcome back, guys. I am Joy, and we are the Remodel Mavens. Today's video is going to be showing all of the projects we've done on redoing the bedroom. Very happy with how it turned out, and here we go. Look at that. That's going to be awesome. Beautiful.
Don't get too close.
Beautiful.
Alright. So we're just going to the outside line. Pretty much like that. We're just nailing them. Got a little air conditioning unit, the Moody 5000 BTU. Gonna put this in the master bedroom that we just painted, that Joey just moved the office stuff in, because this will be the office for a bit until I get the actual office done, which I'll be working on later today after this. Have to wear this neck gaiter because it's just so sweaty. I could just stand here and you guys could watch me just drip. It's weird, the humidity's high. So anyway, that's what the going ons are. All right, wife, grab that box. Nice and easy though. All right. There we go.
See, I have to put my name on my stuff, otherwise it disappears. And then he doesn't know what I'm talking about when I say he takes my stuff. And now I have proof because my name's on it.
That's all hyperbola.
No, that's just the way it is.
Hyperbola.
Uh-huh.
Temperature.
Ice cold.
Yeah. Mode. High fan. Okay, you go stand back there and see if you can feel it.
Oh, so you can be in front of it? Uh-huh. Nice.
I'm kidding, come here.
Go over there in the corner and you sweat some more while I take all the AC.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Huh?
Thank you. I appreciate it. Mwah. Here's the finished closet. All right, so in this section, I am going to attempt to distress the shadow boxes on the bedroom wall. I have had this for years. It is vintage decor paint, Martha Stewart. And I'm gonna use this smaller paintbrush and I'm just gonna play around and see what I can do. I'm gonna put it on just real lightly on the brush. So you actually see the black. All right, here's what the finished distressed ended up looking like just on the shadow boxes. Just adds a little something. So the bedroom is, we've painted it. You saw that with the shadow boxes. And so we got the bed frame. 4 more to go.
One down. And
3 more. And the dogs have to inspect, make sure everything's being put together properly. All right, we got the slats in. And now for the mattress, here is the bed.
we found these at an antique secondhand store, whatever you want to call it.
Guess how much we pay?
$22 for all 4 of them.
4 of them.
Look at that.
So we're
these
gonna
are
cut
the
these in
end tables.
half and then, yeah, turn them into end tables.
That's what she wanted, was like a tray type deal, so that's how we're gonna do it. Basically, it's like a picture frame around it. Then we'll go to the router table. All right, and route these pieces. Okay, here's what it looks like.
Amazing. So what I wanted was just a little bit so that things don't fall off the shelf.
Oh, out of nails. Oh my God, I hate that. Actually, like right here, got that all done. Trim head screw.
Set it up. What does it look like? Oh, it actually is. It looks amazing. Aw, it's so cute. I love it. That looks so amazing. Painted, that thing is going to be beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. Look at this. What do you think, baby? I'm putting some paint on it. I know.
Purple nurple.
Plum, dark plum. All right, all done with the first coat on the first one. Pretty excited. Here are the end tables. Don't mind my dog, she is relaxing. Here's the other end table.
So we're making a plug-in lamp, basically.
So we are just gonna brush this, and it should, see how it's kind of taking off some of the black, showing the green.
Talk to me, woman.
Okay, so I'm thinking.
Random? You gonna do a random burn?
No, there is no random.
Random burn.
No. Hold it up so we can decide. Hold it up.
We want just off center of, right? What?
Can you please just hold it before you screw anything?
Oh, the lamp. Okay, I thought you...
No, duh. What else would I be talking about? Okay, so let's just pause a moment. How low do we want this? How
Right
low
there.
would you like this? That's
Right
it?
there.
You don't want it low?
No, this is good.
That's good?
Yeah. Want more this way? I don't want to lay down right there and see if it's blinding you in the face. I want it on without looking up the tube.
Well, I can see the light bulb.
Okay, no light bulb. Tell me when.
I can still see the light bulb.
How about now?
Yeah, that's. I can just see barely the bottom.
Okay, so that's good right there, right?
Oh, that's way. That is no.
Why?
Because I don't want to wait over there.
I don't want to stare at a fucking light bulb or a freaking light bulb. Pardon my language.
How about you go down there and it's not that obnoxious. Put it down and you lay down and then you tell me. If it's super obnoxious,
okay,
that's
this is
one
my
thing.
side, so I
understand. No. They're going to be the same. We're not having one spot and one in another. Well, that's why I thought if we had it a little lower. That's why I thought if we had a little lower, then it wouldn't be in your face.
I like that right there. Right there. Right there. 12 and 12.
Here are the hanging lights. They turned out fantastic. We are going to be redoing a dresser we got for John off of Facebook Marketplace. And about the paint, pretty excited. He wants to keep the hardware that was on here, and we're going to keep some of the wood color. So our bedroom has a lot of this similar wood color. So we're going to keep some of it. I need to clean where we've taken off the hardware. I need to finish taking off the hardware. I'm taping this section because he wants to leave this wood. And we're leaving these pieces on each side wood. Everything else is going to be painted this beautiful, really dark, almost navy blue. All right, let's get started. By the way, we had to put baking soda and leave it outside. It smelled pretty wretched. He was a smoker. So in case anyone gets furniture from Marketplace and it smells like smoke, we left it outside. It's been out for a couple weeks, but I say it stopped smelling after about a week. Putting baking soda in it worked pretty good. Doesn't smell at all now. Okay, well, I got all the taping done. This was actually pretty simple. This was a little more time consuming getting around all the little edges. So obviously the tape part is what is staying wood. Here's the paint color. I got satin. I forget what it was actually called. I have the chip inside. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. It's gonna go really well with that. The color of the wood too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
No, I like it. I really do.
Looks really good, huh?
It's awesome. Awesomely possum. Want me to spray for a little bit?
Oh, that'd be great.
Give you a little break?
Yeah. Here is the dresser. So pretty much finished bedroom. I hung some curtains. I used piping that we had left over from another project. I was going to buy regular curtain rod and I was getting impatient because I already had the curtains. So I finagled these, put these together, and I am extremely happy with how they turned out. All right, well, the bedroom is finally done. Or I should say, maybe 80-85% done. We still need to get the light fixture, and we still need the flooring, still need baseboards, paint the doors. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching us do our bedroom. Thanks again, and see you next week.